Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a sky-high showdown between two drones. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone, and on the right, the functionalities Brushless Motor Drone. Let's see which one will take your flying experience to new heights and which one will crash and burn. Buckle up, because things are about to get turbulent. First up, let's talk cameras. The TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. That's like having an eagle's eye with the flexibility of a yoga instructor. Reviewers love the high-quality camera, noting it provides clear photos and videos, which is surprising for its price range. Meanwhile, the functionalities has a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. Sure, it's not 4K, but it's like comparing a high-end DSLR to your grandma's old flip phone camera. Some users have mentioned the picture quality is good, but the video can be shaky. functionalities, you tried, but TENSSENX clearly snaps the win here. Next, let's see how long these bad boys can stay airborne. The TENSSENX comes with two modular batteries, giving you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film your entire backyard barbecue and still have time for a drone selfie. Reviewers appreciate the dual batteries, though some find the battery life relatively short. functionalities, on the other hand, offers nearly 20 minutes of battery life with its two batteries, which some users find impressive for its price. However, others have had issues with the drone malfunctioning and flying away. Either way, TENSSENX takes off with this win too. Now, let's get smart. The TENSSENX is loaded with GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, point of interest, and even voice and gesture control. It's basically the Einstein of drones. Reviewers love features like auto return and follow me, though some have faced issues with the auto return home function. functionalities tries to keep up with features like one-key takeoff, /landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. Not bad, but it's like bringing a knife to a drone fight. TENSSENX is like, I'm here to make friends and take epic videos, while functionalities is still figuring out how to turn on. Another win for TENSSENX. Windy day? No problem. functionalities claims level 4 wind resistance and can fly up to 40 kilometers per hour. Impressive, right? It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. Users have praised its stable hover capabilities. TENSSENX didn't specify its wind resistance, so we're left to assume it's not as confident in a breeze. functionalities finally gets a point here. Congrats, functionalities, you finally did something right. Lastly, let's talk price. TENSSENX is priced at $169. Not too shabby for all those features. functionalities comes in at $119. It's like the budget-friendly cousin who shows up to the family reunion in a used car, but still knows how to have a good time. If you're looking to save some bucks, functionalities might be your go-to. Reviewers acknowledge that despite some malfunctions, functionalities offers good value for the price. So functionalities, you win this one for being the cheap date. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with the TENSSENX GPS Drone, highlighting its high-quality camera, intelligent features, and dual batteries. Some users have faced issues with the auto return home function, but it remains a popular choice for beginners and experienced users alike. On the other hand, the functionalities Brushless Motor Drone has received mixed reviews. While some users appreciate its wind resistance and budget-friendly price, others have faced significant malfunctions, including the drone flying away. The company's customer service has been praised for addressing these issues. Upbeat music playing. So there you have it, folks. If you want top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and a plethora of intelligent features, TENSSENX is your go-to drone. But if you're on a budget and need something that can handle a windy day, functionalities has your back. Either way, you're sure to have a blast in the sky. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. Outro music fades out.